cats? Hey everyone, we're going to show you how to make homemade fruit gummies. Ayla has decided she wants to make strawberry, and we're going to blend these up. We're going to need 2/3 of a cup of fruit puree. We're going to need 1/3 of a cup of fresh fruit juice. Any fruit juice that doesn't have preservatives or added sugar, because you don't need extra sugar in this recipe. That's what's so brilliant about it. We also have frozen pineapple, frozen mango. This one's been mixed with some strawberries. Oh, yum. And frozen wild blueberries. Make sure that when you make this recipe, you have extra fruit for the kids to nibble on, because otherwise you won't have anything to make. And then we're going to blend this up, and we'll show you our next step in a minute. Both of these we are going to grease, so the sides and the bottom. Okay, Ayla? And while we do that, I'm going to take you over to the stove and show you the next part of making the gummies. This is what happened when I started greasing the pan. Oh no! Straw falling straight. Cora, get off! Food everywhere! We're gonna make smoothies. Oh! And take a break. And we'll be back. Alright, so bonus recipe. I made a quick smoothie using the rest of the fruit puree. So this has frozen blueberries, a couple frozen strawberries, yogurt, and spirulina, and a couple drops of stevia. That's it, liquid stevia. And I'll show you what kind I like to use. Can you hear me anymore? I can't hear myself. It's like I waved a magic wand over these two. Ba-ding, ba-ding. Is it good? Cora wants to hold the gelatin that we're going to use, which is the key to making gummies. Ayla's going to hold the bowl of gelatin that we're going to pour in the pot, because Ayla is my special big girl helper. Ayla, don't pour it in yet. In this pot, I have 1/3 of a cup of fruit juice. We're using apricot stump. Don't, she almost drank it. Actually, don't. The reason we have this. Hey, no screaming this up, okay? Because I need to say something. I'm going to say something. I want to tell you something. Okay, the reason I have this big bag of gelatin. Okay, we're going to heat this up a little bit over medium high so that the fruit juice gets warm. We don't want it to be boiling. And when it's warm, we're going to scatter the gelatin over the top. We're going to then whisk the gelatin and the fruit juice until it's clear. Go ahead. Whisk, 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 whisk. All right, we're going to go back to our table, move everyone back to safety. I did. Okay, ready? We're going for what? This way. A few things I was trying to tell you before. You want to mix it till the liquid is clear. You don't want the gelatin to be cloudy. There's not much in here, but you can see a little bit. And it smells a little funny when it's hot. If you can get past that, I promise these will be so good. We're ready to pour this in our pan. And then we're going to stick it in the freezer and forget about it for at least the next hour. And after dinner, we'll cut these into what shape? Hearts. And have dessert. And then we'll eat the rest for snack tomorrow. And we'll probably want to make more, huh? I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So these girls are pressing hearts and butterflies. Okay. Carry it carefully. It's made of clay. Thanks for sticking with us. Say bye. 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 Cora, you got Smoothie down your shirt?
I want a ball of gelatin.
You do not want a bowl of gelatin.
A ball.
Trust me.
A ball.
A ball?
Yeah.
I don't know how to make a ball of gelatin.
I will.
You know how?
Yeah.
Really? Would you like a bigger spoon? get a bigger spoon.